Hello, this is a short video trying to explain what's going on. Is the piece number D as in the instruction. As you can see, it's uneven, so I cannot go further, or I cannot put it straight, and it's in both sides, as you can see the other part. So both pieces, number D or letter D as in the instructions, are defective. Hope this video can help and explain more. That's one side. This one is okay. That one is uneven. It's not very noticeable, but you can see there. And this one is the worst one.